Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your Realme C67. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must open calendar application, which is right there. Now we can change view to be easily to add for month, and there we press on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 21 of February. After that we click this plus icon and event. First function, we can add title of our event. There we can add event to our family member or our group on Gmail members. There we can set when the event start and finish and press OK, or we can set it will be all day. Repeat of our event maybe every year. We can add people to our event, video conference to that, location of our event if we need it. There we can notification to that maybe 2 days before at 9 o'clock, and we can add again one more notification. We can change color, which we can see in our calendar, for maybe grape, and there we have our description and attachment. After we add all we need, we press save, and we have our event in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.